Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this I'm going to do the RAM management and the speed test comparison between the 12GB RAM of the Realme X7 Max device versus iQOO 7 device with the 8GB RAM management. Let's see friends, what will be the RAM management between these both phones, and this is a question friends which a lot of users there do have in their minds. And right now I'll try to include these 5 applications and 5 games. Out of these 5 games, I did include the 3 heavy games like Oswald 9, Battlegrounds mobile game Call of Duty, and 2 small games. Let me need to change the game. Yes, exactly. Let's see friends how much RAM management will be there between these both phones. Let me show you exactly what is the RAM. As you can clearly see, 12GB RAM which I'm trying to use, and iQOO 7 which is a 8GB RAM variant. So first let me do the normal reboot test between these both phones. Let's restart the both devices. And it's my first time trying the 12GB RAM variant in my device, in my channel friends. That's the reason I'm really excited to see how much the 12GB RAM gonna perform against 8GB RAM models. And usually the iQOO phones, I mean in the FunTouch UI, RAM management is pretty good even with the 8GB RAM models as well. But sometimes with this kind of intense testing, they will definitely struggle. Not only this UI, even every UI will struggle with the intense kind of RAM management. So which you should definitely understand that intense testing. And right now both phones did boot up, and I'll try to use exactly the same Wi-Fi connection between these two devices. Let me to show the Wi-Fi network what I connected. As you can clearly see, friends, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Both phones are connected to same network, and all the apps are completely clear from the background, RAM management as well. And these are the 5 applications and 5 games which I'm going to demonstrate in this video. And there is no Ultra Game Mode. Ultra Game Mode I did not include during this process of demonstration, nothing at all. And now we'll try to see friends exactly how much difference it will be there between these both phones. And game space also I did not include for these games, because if I try to include the game space, they'll try to delete the background RAM management. That's the reason I did not include them. And let's see how will be the browsing speeds and how is the speed test between these both phones. And this is a touch sampling rate which are our demonstration. And definitely friends, the iQOO 7 device I'm using for pretty long time as well. That will be the another reason in case if this phone doesn't perform that great because of long time usage and so many apps are installed. That might be another thing. Let's keep this Realme Narzo 50 in the background. So both phones are taking pretty slightly kind of long time. Let's go back and select different phone. Maybe Redmi. Let's select this one. So both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. I'm not sure what has happened here. So maybe there must be some kind of problem, issues with the Amazon applications, I guess. Yeah. So next is a Flipkart. And let's go to the mobiles and is a speed test. Let's do the speed test. After that, we'll try to test about the games as well. So how will be the game managing between these both phones. So right now we're getting the speeds as well. Pretty close between these two phones. So we got about 26 and 20 Mbps, not bad. And upload speeds, you can see what's going on with upload speeds as well. And let's start with the games. So this is the Asphalt 9 game which I'm going to open, and this Ultra Game Mode is completely disabled, so you're getting the notification saying that it has been disabled. So don't worry about that. I have disabled the Ultra Game Mode, and there is no monster mode, there is no high performance mode, nothing is enabled during this process of testing. And next, RAM management I will try to do with the Realme GT Neo 2, and first phone to open is the Realme X7 Max with a Dimensity 1200. As I said, this might be the another like new phone, so maybe that might be another thing why, but anyway, let's focus on the RAM management. What's happening here? So it did take slightly more than usual time. So usually the first time, sometimes it actually takes more time. And let's open the next game, which is a Call of Duty game. Let's see the Call of Duty. So this is going to be really very interesting friends, Call of Duty. As I said, this kind of heavy games comparison. In case if this both phones passes this kind of test, Next time I'll try to include the 5 heavy games. 5 heavy games and the applications together I'll try to include very soon. So stay tuned for those videos as well. Right now you can see the speed. The opening speeds between these both phones not bad, pretty close. So iQOO 7 did open slightly faster than the Realme X1 Max device. You can clearly see events. So iQOO 7 did open slightly pretty fast, not bad. And now let's move to the next small applications only, small games, not applications, sorry. So let's see. So after this, we'll try to test the RAM management as well. So 12 GB versus 8 GB RAM management. So finally friends, all the 5 applications and 5 games are completely open between these two phones. You can clearly see here, everything is completely open. Now let's start with the first application, which is a Chrome application. Not bad, like 8 GB RAM, perfect, and 12 GB RAM also perfect. It was able to keep the Chrome application without even getting reloading. Touch sampling rate exactly as it is. That's also wonderful. I think I need to increase the dose of intensity, friends. So yes, it's kind of working. I thought iQOO 7 won't be able to handle, but yes, it was able to handle. You can see, pretty good. Even the heavy games were in the background, like Asphalt 9 game. That's really fantastic. And next is a Paragon's mobile game, also there in the background, not bad. And Call of Duty exactly as it is between these two phones, no issues. And Stake Balls, yeah. Temple Run, yes. So finally friends, with the 12 GB version and 8 GB RAM variant, both phones are completely kind of very close regarding the overall RAM management. You can clearly see what's happening here, and which is pretty smooth as well, scrolling between all these applications and games. As you can see, pretty smooth. Even iQOO 7 is also pretty smooth, no lag, nothing, no delay while changing between the applications, exactly. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, next time I'll definitely include the 5 heavy games. So I did not think that the phone will be able to handle, but definitely I'll try to include PUBG New State or maybe some other game as well. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and bye.